I am back with my new video, and in this video I will show you how to make a Happy New Year board with LED completely. If you have any problem, you can tell me in the comment section, and your like, share is very important. So please like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. So let's get started. At first we have drawn a circle whose diameter is 24 centimeter, and the radius is 12 centimeter. Now I am taking a particular size by the compass and drawing arcs on the circumference. Okay, so you can notice here I have drawn all the arcs. Now I will make holes on the pitch board, okay, in which I will insert the LEDs. I will make holes only on the arcs, okay. So here you can see I have made all the holes in the board, and I will now put all the LEDs. I have tested all the LEDs with my 3-volt battery, so that there are no faulty LEDs after my insertion into the board, okay. So I will now insert the LEDs into the holes, okay. We will place the LEDs with the anode upward and the cathode downward. See, in this way I will insert all the LEDs, okay, in the board. So you can see now I have inserted all the LEDs in the circle, and now comes the connection part, okay. I will make all the positives in the outer circle common, okay. This outer circle, all leads are positive, that is anode. I will make all the anodes common. So if we bend it in this way and in this way, then we have to connect different wires in this, and so our work becomes much more. So we are joining like this. In this connection we will solder these two leads and these two leads, and then connect these two sections. This is much easier than to connect the single ones. In this way I have to do in the whole thing. See, now I have connected all the LEDs in the same manner I have shown you earlier. That is, I have made common the two LEDs positive. In this way 2, 2, 2, 2, and here is one left. You can see here in this portion I will make it common to this, and there will be no problem, okay. Now I have to bend the negative of the LEDs in the inner circle like this. These are the negatives, okay, that is cathodes of the LEDs. So now I have bent all the LEDs. Now I will solder all this, okay, all these positives. I have soldered all the LEDs in the board, okay. That is all the positive. Now I will mark the LEDs with a marker like this. There are 45 LEDs, so I will mark it like that. Starting from this, I will mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like that 4, 5. So you can see I have marked in the whole board like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I will show you the connection of the negative ends of the LEDs or the cathodes, okay. At first I am soldering all the ones, okay. In the same way I will connect all the twos here, okay. I have connected these two in the first, then this two, then from here these two, and in this way I will solder in the whole circle like this, okay. All the twos I have to solder. So now I have connected all the twos here, okay. And now I will connect all the threes, that is 3, 3, 3. In this way I will connect. 3 3 3. Okay, in this way all the threes we have to connect in the circle. Okay, and we will end in this 1 3 4 5, it will end. Okay, so let's see. So I have connected all the LEDs as I have shown you earlier, that is all the ones, all the twos and all the threes, and like that all the fours and fives. Okay, and see, I have made all the positives common here, all the positives in the upper part common. Okay, and I have taken a positive output from here. You can see this is the positive output from here. So now I have made the same thing in the center part, that is around the new part. Okay, around the new part I have done the same thing. I will connect these two circles to different circuits so that it work differently. Okay, I will show you later. Let me now come to the connection of this happy new year, this text part. Okay, to understand the connection of the text part, you can see here I have connected resistors across the letters. Many resistors I have connected. Now what is the mystery behind it? So let's see. So now comes the LED connection part. Okay, I have made the circuit diagram in every circuit app. So here you can see I have made 3 LEDs series connection, again 3 LEDs series connection, and made the 3 parallel. Okay, that is, here I have made the positives, and here I have attached 220 ohms resistors to the negatives. Okay, it is same for all the rows. Now if I connect all the rows in the same way, if the color of the LEDs are different, all will glow, because red color LED is very common. It will glow at every voltage. If it gets a small amount of voltage, it will start glowing. Okay, but blue, it requires high ampere, high current. Okay, it will not glow with the red if it is connected in parallel with the red. Okay, so now if we run the circuit, you can see here these are the orange LEDs I have connected, these are the blue LEDs I have connected, these are the green LEDs I have connected, and these are the red LEDs. So now you can see here I have connected it to 12 volt. At 9 volt it will also work if I make it to 9 volt somehow, but see the LEDs becomes much dimmer than the previous one. So it is recommended to make the connection voltage to 12 volt. Beyond 12 volt it may get damaged. Okay, so it is highly recommended to make it to maximum 12 volts. Okay, so this is the mystery of the LED connection. Now let's see the circuit. So now I have connected all the LEDs in this way. You can see here I have made happy with red LEDs, new with green LEDs, and year with blue LEDs. I have connected all the LEDs in the same manner with the 220 ohms resistors. You can also use 330 ohms resistor, but at 330 ohms resistor the LEDs may get dimmer. So it is recommended to use 220 ohms resistors, because 220 ohms resistors are mainly used in LEDs to increase its brightness. Okay, and moreover the LEDs will not damage if it gets somehow some higher voltage. And now I will make all the positives common from happy new and year, and all the negatives which are at the tips of the resistors common. At last we will have two wires, that is positive and negative. You can see here I have connected here the positive at the positive terminal and negative at the terminal of the resistor. Okay, so in this way you can connect it to direct to supply. See, I have connected it to direct 12 volt supply. This is the 3.5 mm jack through which I will give the supply. I will use a 12 volt adapter here. See, I will this adapter here. This is 12 volt adapter. It is easily available at the market. I will connect it to direct 12 volt 3.5 mm jack and give the supply to direct AC. Okay, you can see here I will connect it, and you will see the LED is glowing easily. Okay, so as of the outer circle I have connected all the LEDs in the inner circle also, that is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and there are 20 LEDs in the inner circle. Okay, and I have connected it to this running circuit. Okay, this running circuit I have connected. There are 5 channels here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here I have connected all the 5 terminals of the inner circle. You can see here I have use different color wires for different numbers. Okay, and this is a simple circuit with 4017 and 555 IC and BC547 transistors and MOSFETs. This is the simple running circuit in which the LEDs will run in single direction. And this is the program circuit which is made with 2051 microcontroller IC. Okay, this is the 2051 microcontroller. This is the 555 IC timer, which is the flip-flop, and these are the BD139 transistors, and these are the BC547 transistors, and diode, variable resistor. You can control also the speed. This I have connected to the outer circuit. This circuit has the functions that it can rotate it to not only in one direction but in two directions. It can rotate the circles. Okay, so here you can see I have connected the two circuits negative. That is, this circuit has negative here minus V, and this circuit has negative. This is the minus V. Okay, this is the minus V. So here I have connected all the two circuits, and this is the positive, which is common. This one positive have come from the outer circle, one positive is from the adapter. Okay, and one positive, which is this, has come from the inner circle. Okay, so all these positives I have connected. There is also a positive in the circuit, but it is, if you don't connect it to the positive, then also it will glow. Okay, so now it's time to check the circuit, if it is running or not. So let's test. Here I have connected the adapter. You can see it has already started glowing. Here you can see it has already started glowing. Okay, so this is the circuit. So thank you everyone, have a nice day.